Hey guys, I'm gonna play some stunt car racing, as you can see. Yeah, online. It's recorded by Mobizan or something like that. It's a really good app to record games for YouTube. So yeah, as you can see. Oh no, as you can see on the bottom right corner. I'm gonna go for a lobby. I've never played this. My first time right now. I saw someone playing this. I guess lobby isn't working. Whoa. Free roam? I've never played this, dude. I'm not kidding. I have no idea. Whoa. Beat fire? What's that do? Oh, I didn't see that glass. No, I can't break the glass. Did you see that? Did you see that, man? I landed that with the crossover. Oh, okay, that's hard. Airtime 99 cents. Right, no, really? 99 cents? Oh, it must be. Whoa. I barely did a little jump. Barely. Did a little jump. Oh. Break. Did you see that glide though? That was beast. I'm gonna try it again. Oh wait, not a trick. I gotta go. That's really quick. Three minutes. Nice. Would you see that stretch? He landed it. We had it in him. Oh, I hate that happens. Now it's 6 minutes. I'm trying to take off that baby, so I'm sorry, I'm not talking. Whoa! Oh no, I'm jammed. I'm stuck. No! Oh, I wonder if we can get airtime. Let's see if I go in full on red. Go for it. And look at you, a lot of airtime. Sizzle fire park. Is that a giant ramp? Hey, did you see that? That was like a little. Sorry, my first video in reality is a little quiet for me talking, so I don't really know what to do. I'm gonna go first. I'm going first. Oh. You know, I'm gonna give a shout out to people that I know, or people that I know. I know other people are watching this besides my friends, but maybe I don't know. Shout out to Hector, my friend Hector, Michael, and Abram. If they watch this video, shout out to you. Well, others, give a shout out before watching this right now. So, what was my first video, man? It's the first beautiful video of cars flying in the air. Actually, my first video of flying cars flying in the air, because I have never done flying, because this is my first one in reality, which I already said. Could I land on top? Oh, that would be my. Does the airtime still count though? I want to see what the camera does at the top really quick. Do something. Okay. That right now means at the top. Oh, I can go off of this. Oh, someone can make it all the way across. And if you play this game, it's called. Am I actually going across? I'm gonna give a shout out to people if they could do this. Oh no. Did I get it? Oh, I did it. I did it. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my goodness. I'm amazed. I'm stunned. Like, I'm amazed, really. Could I do it without turbo boost? Okay, I'm gonna give props if you could do this. We'll get airtime if I jump off of here real quick. Drive off. Wait, could I just stick like that? Or there would be just stick. That would be splatted. Okay. I don't really want you probably could do so you could jump over the thing and land back on it. Your channel, tell me, the comment section. Tell me if you should keep on playing this, or tell me what games I should play. Cause I'm on Android, so I don't really have a lot of money. So try and get free apps actually. And if you can, it'd be cool that if you could like give me a thing and or like something where we can communicate and me and you could play an online game together. And I'll even have you in my video. That'd be pretty cool. Yeah, my leg hurts so bad. I just want to fart. I'm kidding. Okay, wait. How long has this video been? Okay, a little bit. I'm at the ending. Because on my videos be like 15 minutes. It's horrible. Whoa. Oh, I got under it. Wait, can I get out? Can I get out, please? Okay, I want to figure out what that is. What is that? Okay. Well, I started here. I'm gonna try and get on top of there. I'm gonna be skilled. I'm not. I'm trying to do this. I'm gonna be props to make to that orange line. And I'm getting props to a lot of people. If you jinked from that all the way that line and turn around and crash. You'd do props if you could jump it all the way. Yeah, so please. A couple minutes. And I'm gonna edit with the last crash of the game. And gonna